Good morning. Today is Saturday, August 6th of 2022. Okay, this is the kit that I use. This can be the second time I could be using it in my Prius. I used it first time when I was in... Jeez, where was I? Before I went to Idaho. So about 6,000 miles, probably about 10,000 miles ago. Actually, no. I used that in Idaho. That's where I discovered it. So it was, I don't know, 3,000, 4,000 miles ago. So, what actually does, it cleans your engine out from gum, from, stuff that oil residue leaves behind and all that stuff. So, one goes into your engine before you do an oil change. Let the engine run for 15 minutes. The second one goes with an oil change. I am right now by a lube place where they can be changing my oil. First, I need to add this and run my engine for 15 minutes. And then the third one, where it says 44K fuel system cleaner, that goes into your tank with a full up. So after I'm done with the oil change, I'll go fill up and add that to my tank. So let's start. So the EPR is the one that goes before an oil change into an engine. As you can see it in instructions right here. Hopefully you guys can see it. So you need to run it for at least 10 minutes for 1200 RPM. On a Prius, I just hold the gas pedal down. It does the trick. So to open it, you will need a screwdriver or something to pop it out loose. So that's what I'm going to do right now under the hood. Do apologize, you guys might not be able to see everything that I'm going to be doing. As you guys can see, I got it opened. I took the cover off. My oil inlet is opened. I do not have way to put a funnel, so hopefully I won't make a mess. Ooh, I did make a mess. So there it goes. Let me go grab some napkins. So you guys see, I cleaned it up because I'm not sure how does it impact anything else. So now I'm gonna cover it up and start the engine, run it. And I do apologize. And I'm going to be throwing that inside. And I'll be back. So as you guys can see, it is 103. I started. I'm having my gas pedal down. So now I'm going to keep it down and let it run till 115. And then go in and do an oil change. I usually buy a frame, but this time I decided to buy KN filter. It's also, where is it? Where is the English site? So it is 20,000 mile protection for all oil types. It is long life, so I do replace my oil around 10,000 using full synthetic, and I'll show you guys that here shortly. This is the oil that I use. I use Castrol Edge, extended performance, 20K miles between oil changes. What else? full fluid titanium technology, advanced full synthetic. So that's right there. I'm like, where does it say synthetic? My car only uses 4 quarts, so I end up always having a quart extra. But it is what it is. So we'll be back. So this will go into my engine with new oil, and it's called MOA. Under directions, you guys can see it says at each oil change, add one, so pretty much 11 ounces a can. For engines that is require 4 to 6 quarts of engine oil. So if you have engines that are bigger, then you probably need more than one can. I am at 113 right now, which is 10 minutes in. Another car pulled in, so right now I'm gonna get stuck in line waiting. Probably going to miss the 120 drop. So we'll see what happens. Okay, we are at 116 right now. And if you guys see, I have one car in the bay. And with the oil change, everything was complete. I added also the 44K to my gas tank. And now I'm good for a couple thousand miles. The purpose of that was to increase my fuel mileage, reduce my fuel and oil consumption, as well as extend the life of the engine. So any of you out there that you're using a little oil or more, your fuel is not optimate, I would actually recommend you doing extending the life of your engine, giving that engine a second chance by using that stuff and getting it clean. You can buy at Amazon as a kit, which I did, or you can buy them individually at Amazon and maybe some other places. I'm not sure where else you can buy those. So for today, I did $185.94. As you guys can see, the first 3 hours, especially the 7:20, there were quite a bit of orders. Then at 10:20, 11:20, there was nothing coming in. I only had my phone on for 1 minute and then off because I did not want it to get Denville giving me any offers. At 3:20, again, happened same thing. It was dead as silent. And then I didn't stayed for 6:20, 7:20, and 8:20 and tried to risk getting Denville orders as for last couple days. That's all I've been getting for 6:20 is Denville offers. So today I had 0% rejection, 100% acceptance. So that's how I battle and try to bring out my acceptance rate, is by reducing the amount of trash that actually comes through my screen. So be blessed, be successful, and I will be back with more videos.